model, 2012 Citroën Berlingo Partner Enterprise 1.6 HDI. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 144609. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ETEDC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Driver's side quater window is smashed, will need replacing. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.